everyone, welcome back to our
YouTube
channel.
So it's Riya
And this is Pooja.
and welcome back to my channel. My channel name is Riya Official.
And welcome back to my channel, Pooja's Corner. I hope you all are fine. I'm also good. So I'm here with my friend Riya, and here we are going to shoot a podcast which is on the topic, the global warming.
So she is Pooja, my good friend, and today's topic is global warming. It's basically a podcast video. So before start our topic, I'm asking some question to you, and
So I'm very excited. Let's see which kind of question you are going to ask.
Yes.
So let's start.
let's start.
Let's get started, guys.
So Pooja, my first question is, what is your hobby?
Okay, so you want to know about my hobbies. My hobbies is reading books, dancing, and listening music, and also I like to watch movies.
Yes, I think you watched 12th Fail movie recently.
Yeah, I have watched that. That was really good, very motivational, and you are going to learn many things from that. You know.
Yes, we all like to learn many things, and this movie shows the struggle of IAS and IPS officers.
Yes, it shows that how a youth struggles to achieve something. Okay,
And-
like we think that through hard work we can achieve anything. You know,
Yes.
there is no shortcut for anything.
Yes, and I think this movie sent a message to everyone.
Yeah, it's a message for every generation, you know, every student who are struggling.
Yes.
They must watch that movie. They should see, right?
Yes.
Have you seen that movie?
Yes.
What is your review about that?
This movie is very motivational, I think. And this is everyone should watch this movie.
You know the name of that actor?
Yes.
His acting skills were so good,
Yes,
like
I
so real, you know, so nice.
Yes. So Pooja, my next question is, what did you want to be when you were a child?
Okay, so when I was small, my dream was to become a scientist. You know, seriously. But you know, it happens like when you are small, that time your mind is something different.
Yes.
But when you grow, when you see the reality, sometimes it happens that your interest also get diverted. When you are exploring new field, then sometimes you think I want to become scientist. Then you think no, I want to become teacher. When you see them, I also want to teach students. You know, then you think that I want to become doctor, engineer, anything it can be. But now what we are doing, we are pursuing an engineering course, right? So. Can I cross question this to you as well?
Okay.
What you thought when you want to be a child?
I'm going to be an IPS officer.
IPS officer?
Yes. So now we come our topic. So what do you think about global warming?
Yeah, that was a good question. I think nowadays global warming has increased, and because
Yes.
of that our earth temperature has also increased, and you know the glaciers are melting, right?
Yes, it's very bad for our earth.
For earth also, and for our upcoming generation also.
Yes.
Like all the nature we have enjoyed right now, but we should also think of our upcoming generation as well. Like nowadays pollution has also increased, you know, water pollution and all, and because of that global warming has also increased. And because you know nowadays in factories, whatever the waste products are being invented, that they are burning directly, and because when they are burning, then you know that what the smoke and everything is coming, and because of that global warming is also increasing. You know, heat because of heat and all.
Do you know the causes of global warming?
Same thing.
There are two different causes.
What are the causes?
One is man-made causes and another one is nature-made causes.
Okay. So, what could be the man-made causes? What do you think? So, Riya, what could be the man-made causes?
Man-made causes like deforestation or
Very nice point. Deforestation. You know, cutting off trees nowadays.
it's very bad for
Just because of our selfishness, we human beings, for our needs, we are cutting the trees, but we are not knowing that if we are gaining something, then we are also losing something. Because trees provide us oxygen.
oxygen and trees.
If trees will decrease, then our population will also decrease because we are dependent on that directly
And
or
the carbon
indirectly.
dioxide is very increased.
Yes.
Day by day.
Day by day it will also increase. Yeah. And obviously it will lead to global warming.
Yes.
So deforestation was a nice point.
And use of vehicles.
vehicles. Yeah.
carbon dioxide release from there. So it's very bad. And
And nowadays, like many factories and industries have also developed. So in that we are growing economically, but we should also keep nature at one side
yes,
also.
understood. And one of the point is chlorofluorocarbon.
Yes,
It's
right.
very bad because ozone layer,
You know that our Earth is
Ozone
surrounded
layer,
with
yes.
the ozone layer, and which is getting one hole
Ozone
nowadays.
layer
Yeah.
protect us to ultraviolet rays
From the sun.
but chlorofluorocarbon make a hole on this
Because of that.
Yes. And so the temperature is very high. So our Earth is very hot nowadays. That's why global warming is increased day by day.
And because of that, we can also see a change in our seasons also.
Yes.
Same thing. Sometimes
Climate change,
Climate
like-
change. Yeah.
Yes. Do you know what are the nature-made causes?
The nature-made causes can be, like volcanoes, obviously volcanoes, and forest
And
blazes
forest.
also. Sometimes suddenly the forest catches fire.
Fire, yes.
Yeah, because
And
of heat and all.
Yes.
And volcano eruption
And,
is also one of the major natural cause which causes to global warming, because the heat which comes from the volcano.
And the forest,
Yeah.
for the forest fire. So the carbon dioxide release very much.
Yeah, because of the forest fire, a large amount of CO2 is also
CO2 also released.
Yeah.
This is very bad for our earth. And as well as we are cutting the trees. So it's a disbalance of our
That CO2 which
system.
releases, it acts like a smoke, and because of that our Earth's temperature also increases. Understood?
Yes, and in a volcano, so it releases the CO2 release gas. So that's why it's very bad for our earth.
And because of that, we are suffering from many problems also, like climate change,
Climate change,
change in ecosystem as well, and many things. And how many points we will discuss? Many things.
Many
are there.
things are there.
So you were going to say that some diseases are also increased because of global warming,
Yes,
right?
yes, because the temperature is very high. So that's why
There can be,
animals will die also.
Animals are also dying because when forest catches fire,
Yes.
then there are nest of birds. Birds are also dying. Animals
That's
are also
also
dying. And CO2 is also released. And you are talking about diseases. There can be skin rashes. There can be allergies, infections as well.
As well as
Infections because of the smoke
ultraviolet
also,
rays.
ultraviolet rays
Yes.
also, and those things. So Ria, till here I think we have discussed a lot about deforestation, global warming and all. So what do you think? What are the steps we should take?
yes,
to
I
stop
think
this?
we should be careful about all the things and stop the deforestation and
We should stop cutting trees also.
Yes, stop
We should
cutting
plant
trees.
more and more trees, because there is no loss in planting trees.
Yes.
You only think if you will plant a small tree and in front of your eyes, between 1 or 2 years, if it will grow and if it will provide you fruit,
Yes.
then you will think that yes, now my hard work is worth it, right?
and trees
We should
also,
encourage other people
trees also
also.
provide O2. So
Yes.
So and when we are planting trees, the carbon dioxide is getting decreased now.
Yeah, obviously it will increase. So one point we got that we should plant trees. We
Yes.
should also stop pollution. Like there
Yes,
are
sir.
you should go for water pollution, soil
Yes.
pollution and all.
Yes.
So like whatever the way, many people were washing clothes in the river and all.
Yes.
That thing
Yes,
should be
that's-
stopped. And some
For-
people are releasing their animals to bath in pond and
And this in this point, many aquatic animals are dying.
yeah, the fish and all, And
Yes.
if anyone is consuming that water, then the disease will go to that person also.
And
Okay.
spread the disease also.
And if you think for soil pollution, so you can see the polythene is there. Polythene can never be destroyed; it can only be created. And if you
If any animal eat them,
and obviously,
die.
and if you if you will dig a polythene, then that polythene will never get what we are telling. It will not be destroyed. It will be in that way. That's why we should stop the use of polythene also.
Polythene.
Also, we should stop burning crackers and all.
Yes.
So
If we are burning crackers,
not only for animals, neither it is also harmful for human beings also, not for us also. Yeah. So we should stop pollution, we should stop deforestation, and we should encourage
stop
other people
cutting
also.
trees.
Yeah, we should think about our upcoming generation also. Yeah, we will only not enjoy this; they should also get a chance to, see the nature, enjoy the environment, and they should not face any problem. So, so as we have discussed about soil pollution, and that we have also
we should
discussed
not,
about air pollution. So we should also take a point about water pollution as well. Yeah. So we should not waste water. Yeah, each drop is very important, because as we know that 75% of our earth is surrounded with water only, but that water is not for drinking because that is salty water. So we are having a limited amount of water which we should not waste.
But save the water is very important for
Saving
us.
water is very important.
Very important.
And if we both will discuss, then it will not work. Okay, each and everyone has to take step.
Yes.
Each and everyone has to stand for this. So this was all about our podcast.
So
And,
our topic was
global warming, and this was part 1. Okay, so next part will be coming in the upcoming video. So Ria, it was very nice talking to you. Okay, and I really enjoyed it. Okay.
so bye everyone.